everyone, I Jyoti welcome you all to RKP online classes. Today I am going to discuss topic PowerPoint. First of all, PowerPoint. What is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a tool of MS Office. Basically, it is used to create effective or computerized presentation. If you are going to save any file in PowerPoint, the extension will be .pptx. PowerPoint presentation extension will be .pptx. Now come to presentation. What is presentation in PowerPoint? Presentation, basically presentation means presenting ideas, views or information in front of an audience with the help of some effects, objects, theme, etc. Now students, presentation. You can create presentation in PowerPoint, and presentation is like a book. For example, in a book you will get multiple pages, and on each page you will get some images, text, multiple color text or diagrams also. In this presentation. In presentation you will get multiple slides, or you can create multiple slides. So presentation is the group of multiple slides, and on the slide you can insert multiple objects, as well as you can apply animations and transition effects. So let us discuss these all topics one by one. So first of all, presentation is the group of slides. It is a group of slides, multiple slides. So what is this slide? Slide is a single electronic page in presentation. Slide is a single electronic page in presentation. Slide like a page. Suppose this is a slide. Now on the page in your book you will get multiple text and other things. So same on the slide you can add multiple things. These things are called objects. This is your slide. You can insert multiple things on the slide, and these things are called objects. So what are these objects? Let us discuss these objects one by one. Objects, basically the things that you can insert on your slide. Like I'm going to insert a smiley shape. So this is an object shape. Basically these objects are present inside the insert tab of the ribbon. Like you can insert smart art and diagram also. So this is a smart art. You can insert a text box to write text, or you can insert audio clip. You can insert video. So audio is also an object, video is also an object. So you can insert multiple objects in a slide. Now come to the next topic, animation. What is this animation? Whenever you are going to insert any object on the slide, it will remain fixed or static. It means your object, if you are putting your object here during the slideshow, after creating the presentation, you have to view the presentation on the full screen. So this is called a slideshow, presenting all the slides of the presentation one by one on full screen. While your slideshow is running, you will get your shape or the objects fixed or static on the slide. Now you want to move these objects, like while your presentation is running, you want to move this object from here and there and so on. So for this thing you can use animation, or you can apply animation on the objects. So how can we apply animation? By using animation tab we can apply animation on the objects. So what are animation? Animations are the movements that we can apply on the objects, or giving movements to the object is called animation. After animation, the next topic is transition. Now what is this transition? You can move your objects by animation. Is it possible to move or to give special effect to the slides also? Yes, it's possible by using transition. So what is transition? Transitions are the special effects that appears in front of you when you will move from one slide to another slide. Suppose in your slideshow there are multiple slides, like slide 1 is this, 2 and 3. You have 3 slides in your PowerPoint presentation. Now slideshow is running, so your all the slides will come in front of you one by one on the full screen. Suppose now your first slide is present in front of you, and now second slide is coming, so it will come directly, but you need some special effects. When your slide 2 replace your slide 1, you will get some special effects. These special effects are called transition. So you can put transition effects or special effects on the slide. So what is transition? Transition are the special effects that appear in front of you when you replace one slide to another slide during slideshow, or whenever one slide changes another slide during the slideshow. You will see some special effects. Some special effects appears in front of you. These are called transition effects. And to apply transition effects, you can use transition tab of the ribbon in the PowerPoint. So overall we can say animations we can apply on the objects and transitions we can apply on the slides. Okay students, so these are some basic topics that you can do in your chapter 4. So the overall thing on the chapter name is enhancing PowerPoint presentation. So how can you enhance your PowerPoint presentation? How can you make it more attractive? By inserting objects in the slide, by applying animations on the objects, and by applying transitions on the slides. So, and to run the slideshow, you have to press F5 shortcut key. F5 means finger 5 shortcut key. F finger and 5 fingers are here. So F5 shortcut key you can use to view slideshow. So overall, this is how to enhance your presentation, how to make your presentation attractive. Thank you.